You think your private profile is actually safe, but if police get your phone during a stop, can they start scrolling through your DMs and hidden photos right there on the spot? Let's talk about it. Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into this vital topic, quick reminder, I am not a lawyer and this is not legal advice. This is for informational and educational purposes only. Today, we are tackling a massive digital anxiety, police accessing your social media. Your phone is basically your entire life in your pocket, your conversations, your memories, your location history. It's a scary thought that an officer could just grab it and start digging through your Instagram DMs or your private Snapchat stories during a routine interaction. So can they? The short answer is, it depends heavily on whether that information is public or private, and crucially, whether you give them permission. Let's break down the legal reality in plain English. In the US, the Fourth Amendment protects you against unreasonable searches and seizures. Courts generally agree that you have a reasonable expectation of privacy in the contents of your cell phone. Here is the dividing line. If your social media profile is fully public, meaning anyone on the internet can see your posts without you approving them as a friend, then the police can look at it too. They don't need a warrant to look at what you willingly put out to the world. They can scroll through your public Twitter or TikTok feed just like anyone else. But the stuff behind the wall, your private direct messages, locked photo albums, posts restricted to friends only, that is different. That content is generally protected. For police to access that private information on your phone without your permission, they typically need a warrant signed by a judge based on probable cause that the phone contains evidence of a crime. So why does this happen in the real world anyway? Because of the consent trap. Police know getting a warrant takes time and effort. It's much easier if you just let them in. They might make it sound casual. During a tense traffic stop, an officer might say something like, "Hey, just unlock your phone so we can check your Facebook quick and clear this up." Or, "If you have nothing to hide, just let me see your DMs." They're counting on you being nervous, intimidated, and just wanting to go home. This brings us to the most important part of this video, the exact words to use. If an officer asks you for your passcode or asks you to use Face ID or thumbprint to unlock your phone so they can look at your social media, you need to be polite, calm, but absolutely firm. Never physically resist, never get into a shouting match, but do not verbally consent. If they ask to look at your phone, say these exact words: "I do not consent to a search of my device." If they pressure you for a password, say, "I do not consent to a search, I want to speak to a lawyer," and then remain silent. Remember, asserting your rights does not mean you're a criminal. It means you understand the Constitution. You are keeping yourself safe by not opening the door to a fishing expedition into your private life. If they end up seizing your phone anyway, do not fight them on the street. You have already stated clearly on the record, hopefully on their body cam, that you did not consent. The place to challenge that search is later, in a courtroom with a lawyer, not on the side of the road. Knowing this doesn't make you adversarial, it makes you prepared. If you found this practical breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm get this safety information to more people. Stay safe.